In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage my sales in HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through setting up your pipeline, creating and tracking deals, following up consistently, communicating with leads, adding simple automation, and measuring your results so you can sell with confidence. Start by opening HubSpot and navigating to sales, then deals. Click pipelines to set up the stages that mirror your sales process. A simple example might be new lead, contacted, interested, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. Keep the names clear and mutually exclusive so it's obvious where a deal belongs. This visual pipeline becomes your source of truth for where every sale currently stands. Next, create your first deal. Each deal represents one sales opportunity. Click Create Deal and fill in the essentials. A clear deal name that combines the client and the service, the expected amount, a realistic close date, and the current pipeline stage. Use consistent naming and keep the amount and close date accurate so your forecasts and reports stay trustworthy. Link your deal to the right people. Associate the primary contact so you always know who you're selling to, and link the company when it's relevant. This keeps emails, notes, meetings, and documents tied to the same record, giving you complete context at a glance. Track your deals from the deals dashboard. Use the board view to drag and drop cards as conversations progress, and scan the pipeline to spot bottlenecks. Filter by owner, close date, or stage to focus your day. A quick daily review helps you prioritize what needs attention now. Build momentum with tasks. For each open deal, create specific follow-ups, like calling the client, sending a proposal, or checking in after a demo. Add due dates and reminders so nothing slips. Small, consistent actions are how opportunities move forward. Manage communication right inside HubSpot. Send tracked emails from the deal record. Use templates to save time and stay consistent. And capture notes after calls so key details don't get lost. Keep files like proposals attached to the deal to centralize everything. If available, add light automation to reduce busy work. For example, when a new deal is created, automatically create a follow-up task, or when a deal moves to interested, send a prepared email. Start simple, test, and refine. Finally, measure performance, monitor total deals, revenue, and conversion rate. Use these insights to adjust outreach, improve proposals, and fine-tune your stages. Accurate fields and up-to-date stages make your reports meaningful. With this workflow, your pipeline stays clean, next steps are clear, and your sales become more predictable.